I will show you in a live demo how we use HubSpot. You know HubSpot? HubSpot? No? HubSpot is an online tool we use for blogging, marketing, social media, lead creations. We have like forms in the website, so every time someone clicks any hook, it gets to the system. We can follow up. We can see in which step is, if it's cold, if it's warm, if it's hot, and in which, the sequences. We can see in which of the sequences is everyone. So I'll show you. You see contacts, conversation, marketing, sales, service, and automation. So basically, when someone fills a form, you have the first name and different references of one person, and these are all the people that we have in our database. Okay, and then once he has contact created, form submission, starts all the magic. Once you design all the funnels and all the automations, you start like, okay, she completed the form. Now she gave us the name and the surname and the email. Okay, she viewed these pages, 3 pages, and then she got an email. Because she got an email, she got like in different lists, and she will start receiving different emails about blogging, updates, welcome vendor, whatever. Okay. In your case, how do you do blogging? WordPress. Yeah. You create a page. You create for each article you have a page. Mm-hmm. Okay. Then you select the URL and you post it in social media, or you have the automation.
And also have the newsletter by MailChimp.
Yes. Yes.
But I have just 2 campaigns earned.
Well, you started.
I started, yeah, but it's like all the things you show. It's a really a lot of work. It's like full-time job. Self-architecture, or what do you want to say?
That's the thing. I discovered that I'm good at designing, yes, but I don't enjoy doing it. So I found a new way of enjoying. So I'm better with these things than designing. As I understand both, I can write and I can do these things for those who design. But so you have to find your perfect balance, like between I like designing, or I like managing, or I like selling, or I like marketing, or I like being the manager that controls every step. Okay, so these are all the blog posts. So you have some of them that are published, and some of them are in draft mode. Draft, you get like different lists, and once you complete one, you can publish now or schedule for next week, for example. You have a calendar of different posts. Let's see one of those, for example. About the messages. So this is Napalm. We don't know who will see it, so we specifically find articles that are gonna talk about problems in architecture, that architecture is dying, local architecture you're fucked up. We talk about a lot of problems in the awareness emails, okay? So we don't know who is going to read it, but what we want is to create awareness. So we talk about shit and problems. So, for example, why corporate giants die? I don't know. So, an article, and usually this is the find more projects. This is the call to action. In every blog, you have the content, blah, 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 that you talk about the story, about how the big companies are gonna die, and then related to that article, you have a call to action. And in this case, do you want to find new other projects about BIM? Just like very literally, here you place the call to action. You could place it once, twice, 3 times. I have one here, and once you publish it in the blog, on the left, on the right side, there are 2 other call to actions. So we constantly make people to come over to our website. This is the hook, okay? We are not trying to talk about us. We don't talk in the article. We don't talk about us. We talk about different problems, okay? The world is fucked up. And then one call to action, there are different articles, open online studio, and then done, okay? Another one, find more projects. Those are call to actions. So once I know, okay, I've checked the content, everything is okay,